Hi, I'm Dave from Autozone. Most brake pad companies and mechanics can agree that quality brake pads can last anywhere from 30,000 to 70,000 miles. However, some may need replacement after 25,000, while others can last far longer than 70,000. First, it's important to understand how often your brakes need to be changed or serviced. It really boils down to these factors.
Driving habits. How you drive plays a big role in the lifespan of your brakes. Drivers who routinely ride the brakes or stop abruptly risk wearing out their brakes prematurely. Stopping gradually will help your brakes last longer. Driving environment. Now consider where you drive. Stop and go driving, like in city traffic, or riding the brakes to control your downhill speed, like when you're driving in the mountains, can drastically shorten the life of a vehicle's braking system. Finally, the materials. Brake pads, rotors, and calipers are all made of different materials, each of which affects durability. So if you want to upgrade and improve your stopping power while matching your original equipment, Autozone has a wide variety of Duralast pads: regular, gold, and elite. Duralast brake pads are engineered with ceramic, semi-metallic, or metallic materials, composed of a mixture of steel, graphite, iron, and copper for superior stopping power. But semi-metallic brake pads are naturally more noisy, while ceramic brake pads are substantially quieter and produce less brake dust. No matter the style, Duralast brake pads and rotors are designed with quiet, safe stops and longevity.
If you know how to do it, you can save a great deal of money by replacing brake pads and rotors yourself. Before you go the DIY maintenance route, be sure to keep in mind that safety comes before cost. If you don't feel comfortable making the repair yourself, be sure to ask for one of our preferred installers in your area. And for more information, be sure to like and subscribe.